talk about how you manage your gear.
We all have the same problem.
Packing and hauling your gear takes too much time, space, and energy. You'd rather have more freedom to play outside. Or out on the road. Whatever floats your boat. But you can't, because you're still getting ready. If only you can magically combine all the best parts of a gear case, a utility tote, a backpack, and a duffel bag into one glorious vessel. But that's not possible. Except it is. Meet Rux, the only all-in-one, weatherproof and durable, ready when you need it, shape-shifting solution to stow, move, carry, or use your most valuable gear. Garage to beach, truck to trailhead, ready when you need it. Lights. We all know these people. Trina can't change on top of her backpack, and Tony never has enough hands. Andre is scrambling for ski gear. It's all time out there, and he's blown. And Jamie's trying to... Dad! Dear God. We need to Rux things up a bit. Look at Tony and Trina now, just oozing with flow. And Andre's so dialed, he's trenching through power. Buddies haven't even had breakfast. Damn. Let's break it down. Rux does what? Rux packs like a box for super fast and easy access, max volume, and organized gear. Rux carries like a bag. Tote style, market style, over the shoulder, side handle, or even backpack mode in a pinch when you need more hands. Rux transports like a boss. Pack it, lash it, move it. And Rux stores like a case, but way better. A clear window to see contents, compressible when you need it, and gone when you don't. Of course, none of this would work without a lifetime of visualizing and almost 2 years of prototyping and testing design and materials. The bag is ultra durable, weatherproof, and hose washable. The lid secures your gear, folds for quick access, and doubles as a seat pad or changing mat. The straps are simple, adjustable, and bomber. And the tactical-inspired utility rails add infinite versatility. Quick release your straps, take pockets with you, or attach slat wall hooks to your garage. The potential here is huge. Rux is built to last a lifetime outdoors, backed with a lifetime warranty. All those components come apart for field repair, efficient servicing, and sustainable material recycling. Cool, right? We're almost production ready, but we won't stop refining it, so expect changes when your final Rux arrives. It's our first Rux, but not our first rodeo. Tony and Trina have been designing premium climbing gear for decades, and Andre's startup experience will take Rux to Mars. And Jamie, damn, we forgot to give Jamie a Rux. There you go, big guy. Keep your gear tight and your plans loose. Make space with Rux. Back us on Indiegogo today.
Could a single bottle make single-use packaging a thing of the past? Sure, why not? If it's super ultra hyper foldable. Introducing the world's first origami bottle. That's not made out of paper. Actually, it's not just a reusable bottle. It's a design technology that opens up a new way of thinking. Imagine a world where packaging never becomes waste. It's simply reusable and collapsible by default. Now imagine yourself taking the first step towards this world. What do you need to do? Just refill and catch your train. Or catch a tan. Go see your favorite bands. Or just go anywhere. And simply find your inner peace while folding it. Okay, but what makes the origami bottle so unique? There's no other collapsible bottle that's as stable when unfolded. Even those two randomly picked adults couldn't smash it. It's also food safe, BPA free. And because we left the creases on the outside, the inside surface is smooth and very easy to clean. What about the materials? It's made of stainless steel cap, and a special type of polymer. Not this one. This one. Bio-based, high-performance, thermoplastic, lightweight, odorless, hygienic polymer. Or as we call it for short, BBHPTLOHP. It's a very durable thermoplastic elastomer that can be recycled almost endlessly. So, why should you care?
In the last months, we've had time to reflect on our life and the world. Yes, everything is more uncertain than ever, but at the same time we have the possibility to make things better. We've spent 2 years in the development of the most reliable and safe collapsible bottle, and now it's time that it gets into your hands.
Actually, we developed a new technology that can work with different collapsible patterns, and we can develop many more space-saving reusable solutions.
The Origami Bottle is a Kickstarter of a bigger reuse refold revolution, and our bigger mission is to redefine the packaging industry. Now we need your support, and we invite you to join us to make it happen.
We love the outdoors. Maybe not as much as them. But nothing makes us more frustrated than seeing trash on our beloved trails. And most offensive of all, the Hansel and Gretel poop trails that some canine owners think is an acceptable method of cleanup on a well-trafficked path. Gross. You don't have to be John Muir to know this is a major problem. Seriously, people. And the so-called cleanup solutions they're not exactly compactable. Plus, you don't need Kyle's old beer bottle next to your laptop. We spend a few Saturdays a month collecting trash on nearby trails. No, we're not serving a jail sentence. We just care about the longevity of the outdoors. But we needed something that made it less gross to carry trash, didn't interfere with our outdoor activities, and looked good for everyday use. That's why we created the Colony Cleanup Trail Bag, the only durable, compactable, and well-designed bag made for easy trash management and your outdoor adventures. The Colony Trail Bag is made of durable nylon with a water-resistant coating, making for an easy cleaning. The elastic tightening strap connected to the spring steel opener enables hands-free opening for easy trash collection. Don't worry, our insulated material and button closing prevents unwanted odors from escaping the bag. Not comfortable with dispenser. When you're done with them, they can be easily disposed of by opening the bottom zipper. Let gravity do the dirty work for you. Adjustable side straps allow the bag to be comfortably worn over the shoulder, around the waist, and as a backpack. The Colony Trail Bag can also be used in your car, so it's always ready to take on the trail. It's not just for responsible families. We designed the trail bag to be worn during all our favorite activities: packing out your trash while hiking, lightweight carrier while trail running, or picking up after your four-legged companions. Our team of engineers and design experts have been working on the trail bag for the past 10 months. We've gone through multiple rounds of design and moved into prototyping and modifying. Our family and friends have been testing the prototype since March, and we're confident that our design is functional, ergonomic, and stylish. It's so good, even they like it. Our mission is to create practical solutions that enable a cleaner outdoor experience by making it easier to pick up trail litter. With your help, we can grow a community that takes pride in keeping the outdoors clean and influences one another to work as a colony to leave only footprints behind us. So what do you say? We're offering an exclusive Kickstarter discount on individual and family bundles to further our outdoor cleanup colony. Back our Kickstarter now to help bring the Colony Trail Bag to life, so generations after us can enjoy nature to its fullest.